None of us can know what the future brings, but we can use scenarios and articulate these with detailed suggestions on how a bioeconomy may look like in the Nordic rural areas. BioWater has used the so-called shared socioeconomic pathways and translated these into Nordic bioeconomy pathways. This was done with the help of stakeholders in the 4 Nordic countries. Basically, the scenarios include: number 1, a sustainable world where environmental protection is high on the agenda. Number 2, we carry on as we do today, which means that today's trends continue into the future. In number 3, self-sufficiency is the key word. We increasingly need to produce more of what we need, as imports and exports are hindered by trade barriers, unrest and wars. Number 4 is a scenario that can be illustrated by the yellow vests in France, the city versus the countryside. If the city becomes increasingly powerful and elitist, how will this be received by farmers and other people in the countryside? The 5th and final scenario is assuming that technology will aid us in the forthcoming challenges and that we therefore can continue to exploit fossil fuels. With the help of stakeholders, BioWater researchers have translated these scenarios to specific questions and then fed them into catchment models to shed light on the question: how will these scenarios affect our fresh waters? The modelling is still ongoing, but the results that we have already now clearly indicate that the only scenario that can fulfil the environmental goals of nutrients and waters set by the EU Water Framework Directive is the sustainable scenario. Hence, our results indicate that the only scenario that will give us clean waters is if we follow a path of sustainability. In addition to the requirements of the Water Framework Directive, BioWater has also looked at the importance of rivers and catchments for us humans. We like being near water, take out our boats or canoes, and we like swimming, fishing. But all this is at risk if we do not protect our waters. Targeted mitigation measures are important to reduce negative side effects of a growing bioeconomy and at the same time reduce unnecessary occupation of fertile land. Scientists in BioWater have revealed how natural vegetation along water bodies can improve the water quality significantly, and how we can better reduce losses from drainage ditches in agriculture. We do not know what the future brings, but through research we can help policymakers and managers prepare for plausible forthcoming changes. Only by mitigating the effects of our actions will we be able to ensure a healthy ecosystem in our freshwaters, also for coming generations.